and we are here at REI 2024 and we are having Mindra with us. Let's start this conversation knowing more about the company and the products.
Yeah, hi Rupa. Good afternoon. Uh, I'm Harish Dave, President and Sales and Marketing in Mindra Green. This company is a bootstrap company for the EV charging station, EV chargers and solar inverters. So these solar inverters we manufacture from 30 kilowatt to up to 720 kilowatt. And we have the big installation all over India. Almost in all airports, our EV charging stations, EV chargers are installed, and we have other products, EV inverters also. So coming to this is a 720 kilowatt EV model. What we have installed in Rohini bus depot in Delhi, and this side we have our inverter products. We manufacture starts from lower ratings 2 kilowatt, 4 kilowatt, 4 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt. Then we have the hybrid inverters also. In higher utility range, we have 30 kilowatt, 40 kilowatts, 50 kilowatts, 60 kilowatts inverters, and we have the ESS also product. And this side we have the higher range of 80 kilowatt to 110 kilowatt, 200 kilowatt to 50 kilowatt, 275 kilowatt to 320 kilowatt inverter range.